Hello everyone, welcome to the Rubik channel. In the previous video, I show you how to make the yellow daisy flower and also how to sew the same color here in the four corner, same color. Today we do the next step, how to sew the whole cube. So you have to look around. In this case, like the right here is red and here is blue. Also, you just look this corner, they orange and blue. So it's not the right corner. You turn to the next one. The blue here, red, but this is orange. So this is also not the right corner. You turn to next corner. It's orange, green, red, not the right corner. And this is green, red, orange, not right corner. So in this case, no right corner at all for the four corner. So you turn on the top part, turn to left to right, and then down, and then turn right to left, and then down. And we do the same thing, turn to left to right, and then not go to down, but this time we go up, and then right to left, and then up. And you can see they had a green here, orange here. We look this corner, red, blue, and green, blue. So this is not the right corner. This is not the right corner because red, orange, blue, not blue, red, green, orange, not the right corner. Only we just saw one right corner, green, orange only. And you see orange and green, so this is the right corner. We do the same thing, turn left to right, down, and then right to left and down, and then do the same thing, left to right, but this time you go up, and then right to left, and then up. We see what the difference. We still have the right corner, green, orange, green, orange. It's right corner here. This is green, blue, orange, red. This is not right corner. Green, red, blue. This is not right corner. And blue, orange, red. This is not right corner. Only this one right corner. We keep going until all the corner is right. Turn left to right, down, right to left, down, left to right, up, right to left, up. What we see here, green, orange, green, red. Oh, the difference here, red, green. It's right corner. And this is also red, blue, right corner. And blue, orange, blue, right corner. So four corner is correct now. So we turn to the white surface, and we look here, we do the hand move like until we keep doing until the yellow here. Yes, the yellow here. And this time we just move the bottom part here. The yellow, we need to put the yellow here. Do the same thing. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Yes, the yellow part here. And then look like everything is correct. And here, just 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh, not this side. Bing! And then we solve everything here. Thank you everyone for watching video. I hope you guys can learn and solve the cube like me. Thank you.